Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable automatically signing into websites on Microsoft Edge. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Edge if it's not already open. And you want to select the settings and more icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. And from here, you want to go select settings. Select profiles on the left side, and then go underneath where it says passwords on the right, just left click on it. And then at the top it says offer to save passwords. If you want to offer to save passwords, keep it on. If you want to turn it off, just toggle it to the off position, which is to the left in an empty oval. And that's pretty much it, guys. You just would close out of the browser and the change would take effect. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.